global economy runs on wheels. From smooth drives on the state-of-the-art freeways connecting the biggest cities, to the single-lane roads on tough terrains reaching the farthest of countrysides. And the successful completion of every smooth journey lies on the suspension of the vehicles. This was the foundation thought that led to the birth of Agya Auto Ltd, the manufacturers of top-quality leaf spring suspensions for all kinds of commercial vehicles and special applications. Established in 1985, Agya Auto's prime focus has been to become a leader in automotive commercial vehicle suspensions industry by manufacturing a wide range of suspensions for OEMs. Today, Agya Auto is an IATF 16949 certified organization with capability to design and manufacture all kinds of conventional and parabolic leaf springs. Agya Auto lives by the philosophy of customer satisfaction and continuous improvement. The company regularly invests in technology, automation, and employee training to keep ahead in the industry.
At Agya Auto, we take immense pride in our ability to manufacture a wide range of suspensions for all kinds of commercial vehicles, from basic conventional multi-leaf springs to complex parabolic springs, from design, manufacturing to R&D. We have the entire spectrum of abilities in-house. We take pride in the fact that we are OEM suppliers to leading OEMs in India and also an IATF certified organization. All our philosophy and systems are based on customer satisfaction and making sure that our customer needs are fulfilled.
Agya Auto has an installed manufacturing capacity of leaf springs of 40,000 metric tons per annum. Our two state-of-the-art manufacturing plants are designed to manufacture conventional and parabolic springs. We are strategically located in the heart of India at Pithampur, Madhya Pradesh, which gives us an easy transportation access to every part of India and all major seaports. Some of our key strengths in manufacturing include fully computerized and PLC-controlled gas-fired heat treatment furnaces, fully computerized and automatic parabolic rolling line, automatic conveyorized stress shot peening line, computerized and conveyorized assembly line with inline presetting. Besides a well-equipped metallurgical lab, Agya Auto also has dedicated machines for load deflection testing and fatigue testing of spring assemblies. Every spring goes through several layers of inspections before being dispatched to customers. Agya Auto has an experienced, efficient, and dedicated team of 250 employees who ensure that we maintain quality and also keep us a step ahead in terms of innovation. We are constantly working to improve our production process, quality control methods, design capabilities, and employee safety. We have a dedicated team for new product development, which takes care of the entire life cycle from design to manufacturing. With our product quality and timely delivery over the years, we have gained the trust of leading commercial vehicle manufacturers like Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Ltd, Force Motors, and Tafe Farm Equipment. Agya Auto has also a formidable presence in the Indian automotive aftermarket. Agya Auto aims to be one of the top 5 global manufacturers of commercial vehicle suspensions by expanding its footprint in the OEM market and the automotive aftermarket. Let's come together to create a better future for road transportation.